Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss sort an array in ascending order. An array is there, we need to sort in ascending order. Hmm? We will discuss that one. First you can create the class sorting array. Yes, ascending order. By this, need to understand. And write main method. Here we need to declare the int variable INR equal to declare variable integers. You can declare 9, 5, 3, 2, 6, 8, 6, 4, 7. This is the values. Now we need to sort. We can use two ways is there. Two ways, not I think so many ways is there, but I have idea two ways. One is arrays dot sort. Arrays class is there. In that class, sorting method is there. You can use that one and you can sort the value ascending order. And another way is that is a old way, bubble sort. That is a old way. That is also one of them. Today we can discuss arrays dot sort. Now I will create arrays dot sort. Here I will give INR. Huh? Now values are sorted. Now I need to display. I will write for loop. Another option also is that I will show you that one. Int I is equal to 0, I less than INR dot length I plus plus out A of INR dot I. You can display this one. Huh? Now we can display. So we can right click. That's the Java application. See, and it's sorted. I will remove ln. I will give here space. I will give like this space. This is a single line we can display. This is single line we can display. See, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a one way display. Another way also is there. I will show you. I will tell you that one also. That is also very easy. You can write simple. You can write arrays dot string dot in dot. Then run this one. See, this is displaying. I will give next line for this one here. I will write this out. It's this out. See, this is displaying array format, but this is displaying a normal format. This is displaying individual format. This way we can sort the arrays. This is arrays dot sort method. This is arrays dot sort method. Next video, I will explain bubble sort, how to bubble sort doing. Next video, I will explain. If you need more information about my Java topics or Java related courses, could you please comment it below commented box, or you can see my previous abbreviation videos. In that abbreviation videos, so my WhatsApp number is there or my mail ID is there. You can directly ping or send mail. Thank you for watching YouTube channel. Signing off. We will meet next video.